I took one of my vehicles to two different repair shops for the same issue. None of them could fix it. Hi everyone, I am Rod, short for Rodriguez. This is Rod Works Garage. I'm not a professional mechanic, just somebody that works with his cars, his own garage. So, this is how everything started. A few years ago, several years ago, I owned my favorite vehicle. It was a 1970 Chevy pickup. Took it to two different repair shops. Same issue, got it. Issue came back. After several $1,000s, I decided, let me work on my own vehicle. If it doesn't work, I'm not paying anybody. I'm doing the work myself. So, just pull into my garage, grab my tools, start working on it. Eventually, I decided to do a restoration, work the interior, suspension, motor. Unfortunately, I got rid of it. Why? Because I moved from Florida to Washington. I've been working on my own vehicles for a few years. Why? Because dealerships are pricey. Some repair shops could be pricey, but also they could be kind of sketchy, or sometimes they can lie to you, and that's how you spend a lot of money. So I decided to make this channel so I can share my adventures, the knowledge that I'm gaining, and why not some mistakes, because that's how we learn. All right, so I hope you like the work that I do along the road, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.